Hi, I'm Robert Johnson, and we're going to talk today about how to make maintenance a part of customer service. The maintenance plans and the revenue generated by those maintenance plans is very important to a lot of customer support organizations, and in fact is in many cases very profitable revenue. The key to ensuring maintenance revenue, though, is to make sure their customers see value in that. If they don't see value in a customer support and maintenance plan, they're not going to renew that plan. So make sure they see value in that. And to ensure that, you need to measure their satisfaction, because that is really the key measurement to them. If they see value and they see satisfaction in the maintenance plan, then they will renew and they'll keep that revenue stream going. When looking to lock that revenue stream in, a lot of companies will actually try to lock their customers into long-term maintenance plans. And I don't personally think that's a great idea. While that may help short-term revenue, it has a downside of really upsetting customers and making them see they're forced into buying a plan they may not need or may not want. So in my opinion, it's better to see that they see the value in that plan and that they renew that plan. So when you're looking at renewals of maintenance plans, you need to have somebody in your organization who is in charge of that process, that renewal process. It really is a sales process, so you need to be careful about where that sits in the organization. And that really shouldn't sit with the agents. There should be a dedicated salesperson who's going to go there and talk to them about their revenue or about their renewal plan for their maintenance. You also need to have agent tools in place to make sure your customer support agents have what's called an entitlement database, so that they know which one of their customers have a support contract and which ones don't. Because if they're providing support to a customer who doesn't have a support plan, doesn't have a maintenance plan, then they're really giving away service for free. But on the same lines, you really need to have a plan in place to make sure that if a customer calls who's not entitled to service, who does not have a maintenance plan in place, that they're dealt with on a consistent manner. You need to give the agents tools to both ensure that their customers are on a maintenance plan, but also a plan in place of what to do when somebody calls and they're not on a maintenance plan. So customer support and maintenance revenue is an absolutely important thing to many customer support organizations. And by following these handful of tips, you'll be able to make sure you maximize that revenue.